Hello viewers, it's not the flowers that makes a mother beautiful, but it's the mother that makes the flowers beautiful. In other words, it's not the world that makes our mothers beautiful, but it's our mothers that makes the world beautiful. Itu karne moi laga channel ki man ama khana se first day amnam sob ke happy Mother's Day wish kura chanai di ase. Hello viewers, Pakistan preaches ceasefire despite peace talk, India hits back. Chuakali laga khopor bi moi koi dise chuakali 3:30 PM de Pakistan bra Islamabad pra New Delhi de call kurigina ceasefire lobole kotha kwake India khan bra munjo hoigina 5 PM bra shuru kurigina chuakali ceasefire thakibo koigina toida countries majore fasla hua thakise hoilebi viewers chuakali rati debi Pakistan khan bra India re Jammu and Kashmir de Punjab de Rajasthan de Gujarat de along the LOC attack kura huni baise eduke India pra ekdam force pra retaliate kura thakise edu laga hisab te dunia laga akire Pakistan khan hole liars ase they cannot give their own word tahan ki koise edu kotha to rakhole na para dikhi pai ase edu laga ceasefire bridges over the Sekha Thawan bra koise khatiya desh ne fir apna khatiya ban buri dunia ke ake dekha diya. The disgusting nation has once again shown its disgraceful behavior to the whole world. Chuakali New Delhi de India leaders khan bohigna ekdam tango meeting loa thakise etu laga meeting de resolve kura tu hole here on India will treat terror attacks as act of war against country. Aji din bra loigna future de India laga mathi de terror attack hoise gulo India khan bra ekku permission na loigna edu terrorist khan ge tahan kutibi thakibi kulaga country dibi thakibi ta khan ge response to hole immediately dibo koigna edu resolve kura thakise chuakali toida countries majore ceasefire deal do thakibo koigna announce kura bichide Pakistan laga prime minister Shehbaz Sharif bra Donald Trump, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Turkey, Iran और China खान के India और Pakistan majore ceasefire deal do anule para nimide thanks दिया थकिसे और Pakistan पर कोइसे कि Pakistan says committed to faithful ceasefire implementation. होले भी चौकली मौसो प्रतिखा एसेप्टे Pakistan खान पर ceasefire आरोपी violate कुरिसे इतु हिसाबते Pakistan खान ताहान पर की कोइ आसे इतु ओपरे commitment एकता दिवला नपारा country एकता आसे aro ta khan do liar ase gona mohan bra tikhula para edu ekta ase etia future de bi ta halaga kotha do hole rakhula paro na edu sabse tangor question ekta ase UK Saudi Arabia European Union welcome India Pakistan ceasefire announcement. China urges calm amid India Pakistan tension. Chuakali laga ceasefire escalation opore China khan bra bi India or Pakistan ke call up kurigina ceasefire do hole cholagina chawle kwa thakise. Jammu and Kashmir on edge of the Pakistan ceasefire breach. No firing, explosions overnight. Chuakali ceasefire announced kura pichide Pakistan khan bra ceasefire do violate kurigina India ke attack kura thakise hole bi midnight te chuakali laga midnight te eku firing eku explosion to hole along the LOC honanai kugina edu khobo pa ase. So viewers achi laga video de short te chuakali ki happen hoise aur India aur Pakistan laga ceasefire opore kinaga hoi ase edu achi laga video par chanai di ase aur further laga khobo khando achi evening de amnan sob ke details de lamba de chanai di guna edu bi koi di ase. Thank you everyone for watching my video.